Average day of a high school CS student. I start the day off by waking up around 8 o'clock. I take a bath and eat some breakfast before returning to my room. Around this time, I would study for about 1 to 2 hours. Today, I'm doing redox reactions for chemistry and integration for math. I take 5-minute breaks every 30 minutes by reading whatever book I have. It's 12 o'clock now, and I go on my computer and head straight to YouTube to watch some tech tutorials. At the same time, I will also be working on my personal portfolio. Now, for some lunch with family. Very yummy. It's now 2 PM, and I resume studying, doing accounting right now. Back on the drive. It's now 6:30. I decided to go touch some grass and ride my bike and do some weightlifting. After dinner, I take a shower and start reading one of my tech books. It's 11 PM right now, and I go to sleep for the night.